We are live, Metro. You want to say hi to everyone? Come here. Come here. Come on. Get up. Oh, get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up. Oh, say hi. Say, what's your name? Say my name, Metro. Yeah. Yo, what's good, guys? I got Metro with me today. He is going to be teaching you guys what Forex is today. So, guys, wow, we got a lot of people on here. Guys, stay on. I'm going to drop some bombs for you guys. I started doing this Forex Masterclass where every day, Monday through Friday, I'm going to teach you guys how to trade Forex. And if you're on Instagram right now, comment ebook for me below. EBOOK. Comment ebook in the section below. So I started this Forex Masterclass where I'm going to teach you guys how to trade Forex every single day. And you do not need to have any experience. Metro right here he loves his dad. You guys can see he loves his dad. But I started doing this Forex Masterclass where I'm going to teach you guys how to trade Forex for 100% free. The best way to join this live is on your computer. If you're on YouTube, you are going to get the best experience hands down. If you're on Instagram, join on your computer so you can see like my screen and everything that I'm going to go over. If you guys are on Instagram right now, comment the word ebook for me. All one word, EBOOK, just one word, ebook. And then I'll send you an ebook that I made. So I've decided, like I said, guys, to do this Forex Masterclass. I am going to share my screen for you guys so you can see what we're going to go over. And if you guys do not know, this is Metro, my dog. He is the best dog in the world, guys. He has the best personality. If you guys don't have a French Bulldog, definitely get a French Bulldog. So this is day one of the Forex Masterclass. This is the Masterclass orientation. Every single day, Monday through Friday, if I'm not sick like I was last week, I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to go live on Instagram and YouTube at 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. EST. Do not be late. So show up and you guys are going to learn how to trade. Second thing, be prepared. Have a pen and notebook. This is going to help you guys out so you can take notes on what I am sharing with you guys. Thirdly, join on a laptop. If you guys are on Instagram right now, comment the word ebook for me, EBOOK below. Comment that below. But joining on a laptop, guys, is going to give you a much better experience. Some of you might be on Instagram right now and the screen might be a little pixelated. It's because I am going live from my laptop. I am not on my cell phone going live. So the best way to learn everything that I'm going over is to join on your computer. You guys can log into Instagram on your computer, or I'm live on YouTube right now. And if you guys are on YouTube, you'll be able to see the whole entire class as well and me sharing my screen. So fourthly, get ready to learn and make some money from trading Forex. So let's go in and start going over this information on what Forex is. I just want to go over the Forex basics, the 101 of Forex. So a lot of you probably have asked and heard about Forex, and you're probably like, Cole, I don't have anything for my X. What are you talking about? Not like that. Forex is short for foreign exchange. So it is the buying and selling of different currencies like the euro, the US dollar, the GBP. So you guys know how if you download the app Robinhood or Webull or Fidelity, you guys can invest into stocks, into companies like Amazon, Netflix, Hulu. All these companies have stocks that you can buy and sell into. So the same thing is happening with Forex, but instead of buying and selling into companies, what we're doing is buying and selling into currencies. And the stock market is an $80 billion a day market. The foreign exchange markets are a $5.3 trillion a day market. So there's a lot more money in the Forex markets versus the stock market. So there's a lot more potential for you guys to make money. And if you guys are on Instagram right now watching this, comment the word ebook for me, EBOOK. Comment the word ebook and I'll send you an ebook that I made. And guys, if you're on Instagram, you guys should log in on a computer or go to my YouTube right now and watch this for a much better experience. My YouTube is Colt Mostef. So where do you guys trade Forex? So Forex is actually traded off your phone, which is really cool. You could trade off your phone or you could trade off your laptop. We use a platform called MetaTrader 4. So guys, this is where you should be taking notes. I'm giving you guys all the platforms that I trade off of and how to get started trading as of today. Like after you guys watch this live, you can start trading Forex. So how do we trade Forex? We trade through online exchanges called brokers. So a broker is pretty much a bank account. There, it's where you're going to house your money. So ideally, let's say that you open up a brokerage account with Owanda.com, another note to take, or Forex.com. You can go to Owanda.com and let's say you fund your account with $500. You put $500 in there, you link it to MetaTrader 4, and then you start trading, let's say Euro USD. That's your currency pair of choice. When you make your money from trading, let's say you turn your $500 account to $600, you can withdraw that $100 profit or the whole $600 at any point in time. And it goes to your bank account within a couple of days, so it's pretty quick. So next step, how much can you trade with? With these brokers that I mentioned, you can trade with as little as $100. Obviously, the more that you have in your trading account, the bigger profits that you're going to be able to see. The thing with trading too is you do have to be 18 years old to open up a brokerage account. So if you are under 18, you can't open up a trading account, which sucks. You might have to have a parent do it. But if you're under 18 years old and you're watching this, you can actually learn how to trade Forex. Metro's grumpy over here. He's like, Dad, I should be teaching how to trade. So when can you guys trade Forex? The Forex markets are actually open 24/5. So they close every Friday at 2 p.m. PST. That's 5 p.m. EST. And then they open back up Sunday at 2 p.m. PST. So just yesterday, the Forex markets actually did open back up. So they're open 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. So these are like the best pairs that you guys can trade. And I'm giving you guys everything at the end of the call. I'm going to give you guys some action steps to take. So if you guys are on Instagram right now, comment the word ebook, and all this information that I'm going to teach in this masterclass will be in this PDF file that I'll send you if you comment ebook below. It's just EBOOK. So the best pairs to trade, the euro versus the US dollar. Secondly, USD/JPY, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Thirdly, USD CAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian CAD. GBP USD, the Great British Pound versus the US dollar. USD Chef, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. NZD USD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. These are all USD based Forex pairs, so they have the USD or they have the US dollar in them. So the best sessions to trade. And basically a session is just a period of time when the market is going to be moving the most. So the best sessions to trade are going to be the New York session and the London session. What I would do if I were you guys, if you want to start trading, is you want to be trading during a session, one. But two, you want to kind of figure out when is the best session that works with your day-to-day schedule. So if you don't work in the mornings, trade during the New York session. You could start trading maybe like 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., whatever you really want. Then let's say that you work all throughout the morning and afternoon into the night. The London session may be the time that you want to be trading. You could trade from like 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. Just trade for like 1 hour a day. You guys do not have to trade during the whole entire session. And let me share something with you guys. This is like our trading platform, not where we trade on, but we do our analysis. It's tradingview.com. So when you go to enter a trade, I'm going to go over like entering trades and stuff later on in this masterclass later this week. But ideally, let's say that we're trading right here, GBP, the Great British Pound, versus the Japanese yen. So let's say that we think it's going to be a sell. If we go to a higher time frame like the 1 hour, we can see that it's kind of starting to drop off. So what I could do is I could go to the left and grab this position, a short position. Short means sell, long means buy. And I could go and click boom right here. And I can move this right here, which is my target or take profit. And then I have my stop loss right here. So ideally a stop loss is to protect my order and a take profit is to where I want to make my profit. So if the market goes down, let's say it sells off and it goes down here, or if it goes up and hits our stop loss, it's automatically going to take us out of the trade. So that's the thing with trading is you do not need to be in front of the charts watching everything that's going on. You literally will set and forget your trade, and then you can go about your day. Once again, if you guys are on Instagram right now watching this, comment the word ebook for me, EBOOK. Best times to trade, best pairs to trade right here if you guys want to take a screenshot or notes if you haven't already. So more types of trading. So there's two types of trading that we focus on when it comes to Forex trading, and it's technical trading and fundamental trading. So technical trading is when we're looking at the trend, we're using support and resistance. Overall, we're looking at the charts, and that's exactly what I just showed you guys on TradingView. It's where we're looking at the charts and we're identifying, okay, we're in an uptrend, but it's going down. Then we have this resistance up here, support down here. I think it's going to be a sell. So that is technical trading. And we use tradingview.com to analyze the markets. Then secondly, we have fundamental trading. That is trading news, and we use forexfactory.com to find the news. So right here is forexfactory.com. If we go to today's current date, so we actually yesterday was yesterday because it's no longer that day in the markets, but yesterday was Monday, April 15th. At 8:30 a.m., we had news for the US dollar on core retail sales. That type of news came out. Empire State Manufacturing Index and retail sales. So on forexfactory.com, if you go to it, you can go to this filter tab right here, and it will have all these types of news that you can have. So where it says expected impact, there's this red box, that's high impact news. We have medium impact news for the orange, and then we have low impact news for the yellow. I really only like to have the red high impact news. Event types, I have all of them marked up. Currencies, I only have USD because, here, go. Okay, let us stay. I only have USD because I only trade USD pairs. So after you fill in this information, you'll click apply filter. And then you could see it'll tell you the date that the news comes out, the time that the news comes out, the currency that the news is on, and then the type of news that it is. So if I go to Tuesday, tomorrow, April 16th at 1:15, Fed Chair Powell speaks. When Fed Chair Powell speaks, guys, the market goes ballistic. Literally, it goes insane. So if you go right here to this little folder and click it, it will actually tell you all this information. It'll tell you the description. So due to participate in a fireside chat with economic trends in North America at the Wilson Center Washington Forum in Washington, D.C. Cool. So it tells us the source, speaker, usual effect. And usually what you kind of want to do is look at two things. The first one is the usual effect. So it says more hawkish than expected is good for currency. So if we have news on the US dollar, we want to go to TradingView and we want to find a pair with USD in it, like GBP USD. So we have news for the US dollar. So when we're looking at GBP USD, if it's going down like it is right now, that means that the US dollar has more strength than the British pound. So if we go back to our news event right here on forexfactory.com at 1:15, this news is going to come out where Fed Chair Powell is going to speak. It says that it's good for currency. So ideally, tomorrow at 1:15, hypothetically, you never know what's going to happen with news. We could see GBP USD at 1:15 p.m. tomorrow drop. And that is 11:15 a.m. if you're in PST. So this news right here is usually based in the East Coast time zone. So 1:15 p.m. on the East Coast. And then it's 11:15 a.m. on the West Coast. That's when this news is going to come out. So it's important to look at the usual effect, but also you can see the history. So April 3rd, 2024 is when Fed Chair Powell spoke previously. So what we could do is we could backtest. Backtest is going back in time and seeing what was the effect last time that he spoke. So April 3rd, what I'm going to do is go to Trading View. If I go to the bottom of the screen where it says go to, I can go to April 3rd right here, this Wednesday, go to, and we can see right here, this is when he most likely spoke. You see this massive candle right here? This is what happens when news comes out. This is fundamental trading right here. So ideally, it pushed up last time he came out. But that's not enough data for us. So he spoke April 3rd. He also spoke March 29th and March 22nd. So let's go to March 29th as well. So if I go right here, we'll go to March 29th, go to, here's March 29th right here. So 1300, I think, is 1 p.m. So it looked like it dropped a little when he spoke. But we can't really see what time he spoke. He could have spoken in the morning. Usually Fed Chair Powell speaks at the same time every single time. But let's go to March 22nd again and look. So let's go to March 22nd. Okay. So we have this massive candle right here. It looked like he pushed the market up. So hypothetically, as I'm looking at this data, I'm starting to think that tomorrow when he speaks tomorrow at 1:15 p.m., Tuesday, April 16th, I think the market might actually go up. So tomorrow, we may want to look for buys. We're getting the fundamental analysis by going to forexfactory.com, and that's helping us determine whether it's going to be a good buy for the day or a good sell. So it's very important that you guys understand the difference between technical trading and fundamental trading. Once again, technical trading is looking at the charts using TradingView or MetaTrader 4. Fundamental is like trading news, politics, things like that. And with all the geopolitical events going on in Iran and Israel and stuff like that, it's affecting the markets heavily. Guys, when there was an Ariana Grande concert a long time ago, I was trading GBP USD. The concert was in London. Their currency is a Great British Pound. What do you think happens if there's a bombing or a tragic event in London? It's going to affect the economy. It's going to affect the currency. So like when the presidential elections come out, guys, when the presidential elections come out and a president is being elected, watch the markets. They go freaking insane. Guys, if you're on Instagram right now watching this, first off, welcome. I'm glad to have you guys here. Comment the word ebook for me. EBOOK. And if you're coming on late to this, tomorrow I'm going live again at 5 p.m. PST. every day, Monday through Friday, I'm going live on Instagram and YouTube at 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. EST. And I'm teaching you guys how to trade for free. So fundamental and technical trading. So this is the end of today, day 1. The next steps that you guys can take, if you guys want to take a screenshot right now, this is going to be very helpful for you. Step 1, download the mobile app MetaTrader 4 and open a demo account on your phone or computer. MetaTrader 4 honestly works best on your phone. You can go to the App Store and download it for free. 2, you can either open a demo account straight from the app MetaTrader 4, or you can open one with owanda.com. Once again, as I went over brokers, how to open up a brokerage account, what is a brokerage account, where do we trade Forex? We use brokers. Owanda.com is a broker that you guys are going to use. What I would do next is just have some fun messing around with MetaTrader 4, kind of get an understanding on how everything works. And guys, also check out my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel that I've been posting videos on for years now. You guys, I'm posting every single week. You guys can see I have tons of content. I teach trading strategies on here. I do trading vlogs where I kind of just document my lifestyle so you guys can see the way that I live. I have so many videos that will help you guys out, learn how to trade for free. I would appreciate if you guys could hit that subscribe button for me and show some love. So with that being said, guys, tomorrow, this is Metro, by the way, guys, for all the ladies on here. Hi, ladies. I'm going to be going live tomorrow at the same time, 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. EST. You guys should join on a computer. If you're on Instagram, you can log into Instagram on your computer, or you can just go to my YouTube. So I'm live on YouTube right now and Instagram. Just if you guys join on your phone, you're not going to have the best experience because the screen is kind of pixelated on your phone, 1, but 2, it's not as big. I'm going to end this one more time, guys. If you are on Instagram watching this, comment the word ebook for me. Comment ebook, EBOOK. Just comment ebook, and then I'll send you guys an ebook that I made. I saw some of you comment it. Let me put this in the chat. Comment ebook, guys. I just put it in the chat for you guys to comment exactly how I wrote it there. Comment that, and I'll send you guys an ebook, basically a PDF file with all the steps that you guys need to take on how to start trading. Make sure it's one word, guys. Just one word. EBOOK. Ebook. Just like that. It's not E space book, not E dash book. It's just ebook. EBOOK. And if you guys are watching this from YouTube and you want that ebook, go to my Instagram and just message me ebook and I'll send that to you. I'll give you guys a couple more seconds to comment ebook. You guys, you want this ebook. I'm telling you, it's filled with a bunch of information. You'll be able to keep the ebook forever. It has everything that I just went over, plus more information on how you guys can start trading. So comment that for me, ebook, EBOOK. I saw some of you comment real quick. We got 10 people on here real quick. Yeah, Euro USD is diving. Cole, good to see you. Freddie, Brandon, good to see you guys. Austin, appreciate you guys coming on. Noel, Debbie, Juan, Brandon, Jonah. Comment ebook for me before I hop off here, guys. Just EBOOK. Comment ebook, all one word. Just comment that, and then I'll send you guys that ebook right now, okay? All right, guys. Metro is dying to get off my lap. He's like, Dad, let me go. William, good to see you. All right, guys. Once again, I'll be going live tomorrow for day 2 of the Forex Masterclass. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. EST. If you guys want an ebook that I made, comment ebook below. All one word, EBOOK. Comment that before I end this live stream. I'll give you guys like 20 seconds to comment ebook real quick. Just EBOOK. Comment that, and I'll send you guys that ebook. Why are you so sad, buddy? All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Appreciate you guys all coming on.